Welcome back, everybody. Edgar NBVC MWR Community Recreation SurfNet Building 20. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make shrimp aguachiles. Today's ingredients include the following: 2 pounds of freshly cleaned shrimp, deveined and deshelled, 2 large cucumbers, peeled and seeded, 1 medium-sized red onion, fresh green jalapenos, and 8 green limes, and a small mixture of garlic, salt, and black pepper. Looking for a rough chop? It's your preference. Just going to give it a rough chop real quick. They're going to soften up a little bit with the lime juice, so don't worry about if they're too big. Okay, so that is our cucumber, nicely chopped. I'm going to add that to my bowl here. And now I'm going to move on to my red onion, and with the red onion, I'm looking for slices. So I'm going to go for some slices. Put those also in the bowl. Want to separate them, get some nice color in here. Okay. And what we're going to do now is we're going to move on to make the actual aguachile liquid, which is going to be the juice from the limes and the jalapenos. So what we're doing now is we're going to add the lime juice. I've already added some of the limes in there, the juice. So I'm squeezing the limes into the blender pitcher here. So that's the juice of about 8 limes. And then I'm going to add the rest of the jalapenos. I'm also going to add my mixture of garlic, salt, and black pepper. So that's going to go inside the blender. And we'll be right back. So everything's inside the blender now. We're going to go ahead and puree everything. So we're going to give this a blend. Perfect. So you just need about 15-20 seconds, get everything in, well blended, incorporated in there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and add this to the shrimp. So we got our mixture ready. I'm going to go ahead and add that into the shrimp. So I'm just going to go right in. This is going to require about 2 hours of it marinating in the refrigerator. You want to let it. So it's been 2 hours. Our shrimp have been mingling in the mixture of the lime juice and jalapeno mixture with the salt, garlic salt, and black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add now the red onion and the cucumber. And what I'm going to do after this, I'm going to let this sit for another hour. So you're looking at about 3 hours of it mingling in the fridge, marinating, a good 10 minutes of prep time, and when you're finished you'll get to enjoy these wonderful aguachiles, which you can eat with chips, you can eat them with tostadas. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy. This is what the aguachiles should look after it's ready. Added some hot sauce. Again, enjoy.